Shelley here with Harvesting Heritage. I'm going to show you how to distinguish your luggage from the sea of black luggage that comes out of the baggage claim. First, I took just plain cardstock and just plain piece of copier paper, and I made a stencil out of the S font that I like, capital S. I made two of them because if you cut out all of the print, you'll lose the stencil. So this one has some of it cut out and this one has more of it cut out. So I'm going to center it on my luggage. I'm going to center it top to bottom, left to right. I have my little handy tape measure. So I'm going to say this is 10 inches down to the center. That's about right. And 7.5 to the center. That's pretty good. I'm just gonna eyeball that. Does that look pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
We are in an Airbnb in Boise, Idaho right now. So I didn't get this done, but I want it done for on our way back. So I just brought the pens and the paper with me. And I found some duct tape in the closet. So this is a Sharpie oil-based paint pen. That should work. I tried paint on my purse and it just ran. Wasn't a good thing. I had to do some major saving on that. So to get the pen to start putting the paint on the end, you just dab it a bunch of times. So now it's going. So now I'm just going to draw the outline. And I can always come back. Oh, that's going to work really well. But I can always come back and fill in if I don't get it a perfect line. So I didn't cut here, but on this one, it is cut there. So once I'm done with this stencil, I'll overlay with the other one and get the rest of it. It's looking good so far, and even though the luggage is really textured, it didn't bleed through, so that's good. The first coat is dry, so now I'm ready to put the second stencil on top of it and finish. So the top stencil is laid on top, and you can see where I have cut out so I can follow the underlying paint color, the gold paint color, so it lines up, and it's not quite perfect, so I think that I'll just make the lines really light and then take the stencil off and freehand if I need to. So now we're going to start on the second suitcase, and it's just exactly the same thing, repeat. So I have taped down the first stencil that I used for the other one, and I'm going to do the exact same thing, just color it in. And what's good about the suitcase is that because of the ridges, you can't get it perfect. And since you know you can't get it perfect, then you're not trying to make straight lines because it's impossible. And when the baggage handlers throw your suitcase around and it'll get all scuffed up, that will just add to the beauty of it.